Walk-in refrigerator isn't cooling.
Who's calling that shit?
System is low on
Who's calling that
refrigerant.
shit? Who's calling that shit? Who?
Gonna get the bulk of the ice off, then thaw the rest with water.
Hey,
Be careful to not damage the coil while removing the bulk of the ice.
is it Keisha? Is it Ashley?
Look at that big honker.
Is it Party?
Straighten any fins that need attention.
Where the fuck the function?
Replace the leaking swivel teeth. Charge that thing up, son. Ended up being a pound low. Beer is cold again. Gonna wait for temp to drop, then we out. Follow for more.